In this video, you will learn how to delete Anaconda environment. So I have this Anaconda navigator, and first of all we will click on this environments, and here we will see all the environments which are created through Anaconda. Now among these we will select that particular environment which we want to delete. So let's say we want to delete this demo environment. So I will click on this. Now this might take some time because this is loading the packages and we can see the progress here. Now once this is finished, we will click on this remove, and now this pop-up box will come up, and here we will click on this remove. So this is removing the packages now, and now it is loading the packages of the default environment, which is the base environment. It is loaded now. Now we can see the environment is deleted from here as well. Now we will see how to delete this using the terminal or Anaconda prompt. So first we have to open the terminal if you are working on Mac, or you will open the Anaconda prompt in case you are working on Windows system. Now here you would see this base inside these brackets, which means that this base environment is currently activated. So now we will list down all the environments which we have. So we will type Conda space env space list and hit enter. So we have this base environment and this my-env environment. So now let's say we want to delete this my-env environment. So we will type Conda space remove space hyphen name space, and now the name of the environment which we want to delete. So in my case, I want to delete this my-env environment. So I'll type my-env, and at last we will also type hyphen all. So I'll say space then hyphen all. Now hit enter. So now it is saying that all of these packages will be removed. So if we are okay with this, then we will type here Y and hit enter. And now it is saying that everything will be removed which is present inside this environment folder. And it includes all the environment configuration files and also the non-Conda files. So everything will be deleted. So here also we will type Y and hit enter. Now it is finished. So let's verify once. So we will again list down all the environments. So we will type Conda space env space list and hit enter. So we can see that my env is not present this time. So it means the environment is deleted now. Now if you want to learn more about Anaconda, then do check out the Anaconda playlist on the channel, and do hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos.